On July 15, federal Judge Aileen Cannon in Florida dismissed the criminal case accusing former U.S. President Donald Trump of unlawfully possessing classified documents, providing Trump with another significant legal victory as the Republican candidate seeks to return to the White House. In a 93-page ruling, Cannon stated that the appointment of special counsel Jack Smith, who was responsible for investigating Trump, violated the U.S. Constitution. In November 2023, U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed Smith as special counsel to oversee 2 investigations involving former President Trump. Both challenges to the appointment and allocation as outlined in the motion raise the question of whether there is any statute in the U.S. Code that authorizes the appointment of special counsel Smith to conduct this prosecution. After thorough examination of this critical issue, the answer is no, the ruling, as cited by CNN, stated. Cannon made it clear, ultimately, the U.S. executive branch has become increasingly comfortable in recent years with appointing special counsel under regulations that follow an arbitrary pattern with little judicial oversight. This decision was announced on the first day of the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. In response to the news, former President Trump stated that the dismissal of the classified documents case should only be the first step and called for the dismissal of his other cases. Simultaneously, Republicans in the U.S. Congress expressed excitement and congratulated Trump on his new legal victory. Representative Mike Lee shared, "The dismissal of Trump's classified documents case is a victory for America and a victory for the rule of law." Senator Ron Johnson remarked, "It's good to see our judicial system regaining its sanity." Several members of the House Judiciary Committee also commented on the case. Representative Andy Biggs stated, "This is a huge win for our constitutional republic and the rule of law. The Department of Justice cannot unconstitutionally appoint special prosecutors to prosecute political opponents." Representative Tom Tiffany shared, "Breaking news, Judge Cannon has dismissed the classified documents case against former President Trump. Another significant blow to the leftist opposition against Trump." Following Judge Cannon's ruling, several Democrats publicly condemned the decision. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer criticized, "This misguided ruling goes against long-standing tradition and judicial precedent. This ruling is legally incorrect and must be appealed immediately. It is evidence that Judge Cannon cannot handle this case fairly and must be reassigned." Similarly, Representative Raul Grijalva condemned the ruling, calling it biased in favor of former President Trump, and urged special counsel Jack Smith to appeal. Representative Adam Schiff, a Democrat on the House Judiciary Committee, stated, "Today's precedent-breaking decision in Florida is evidence that the safeguards of our democracy are eroding." Meanwhile, some Democrats seized the opportunity to call for reforms to the U.S. Supreme Court. For example, Senator Sheldon Whitehouse called for the establishment of a code of ethics for judges. House Speaker Mike Johnson, a Republican, said Cannon's ruling was good news for America and for the rule of law. House Republicans have repeatedly argued that special counsel Jack Smith has abused his authority in pursuing the case against former President Trump.